So now next topic is metal dissolving reduction reactions. We have already done metal dissolving reduction, and that was, if you remember,
BC reduction.
Birch reduction. Exactly. Okay, we have already done metal dissolving reduction, and that was Birch reduction, and it was the reduction of aromatic ring by either sodium metal or lithium metal dissolved in liquid ammonia. So dissolving metal reductions means your metal is dissolved in some solvent. So it may be sodium or lithium metal in liquid ammonia. So that is also called Birch reduction in case of aromatic rings. We have already done this. Okay, so one method we have already done. Okay. Or you can also reduce carbonyl compounds or conjugated dienes. And you can also carry out this metal dissolving reduction with other reagents such as zinc metal dissolved in HCl, that's also called Clemson reduction, or this is one other reduction by using aluminium metal. Okay, so now we will discuss Birch reduction. We have already discussed in case of aromatic compounds. So now we will start with metal dissolving reduction of carbonyl compounds. So this is a very important exam. Most of times question आया हुआ है. Metal dissolving reduction of carbonyl compounds. So in case of carbonyl compounds, when you perform its metal dissolving reduction, it is also called bivalent blank reduction. It is also called bivalent blank reduction. And again, it is performed by using sodium metal. It is performed by using sodium metal in some protic solvent. Protic solvent means that can provide proton. In Birch reduction, your protic solvent was ammonia. So here protic solvent most commonly used is ethanol. It can provide a proton, and lithium metal can also be used. So sodium metal is taken in ether and in ethanol. Suppose you have benzophenone and if you perform its reduction by sodium ether in ethanol. So this carbonyl group, it will get reduced to alcohol and you will get this product which is called bench hydral. Okay. So now let's very quickly look over mechanism for reduction of these carbonyl compound in the presence of sodium in liquid ammonia. So as I told you earlier also many times, how these reductions they will proceed by which kind of mechanism?
Single electron.
By a single electron transfer. So you have a sodium metal, and from the sodium metal there will be a single electron transfer. A single electron transfer, and this electron transfer will take place to this carbonyl group. And since oxygen is more electronegative, so which will acquire full negative charge. एक दे ऊपर radical anion बनेगा, एक दे ऊपर radical आएगा, दूसरे दे ऊपर full negative charge. So out of carbon and oxygen, which will acquire full negative charge?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So it is more electronegative. So this will become radical anion. What will happen next? Of course, this will be stabilized by resonance. So you can have two situations in which there is a negative charge over carbon and single electron over oxygen, but this will be less stable. Next, what will happen? Again, there will be a transfer of proton. Okay, there will be a transfer of proton from ethanol, which act as a proton source. So there will be transfer of H plus ion. So this will become and then what will happen?
Electron transfer होएगा sodium to.
Again, electron transfer will take place from sodium and now it will acquire negative charge. And finally, again, it will take H plus ion from ethanol to give rise to benzyhydrol. So this is a general mechanism by which this reduction reaction can take place. Is it clear? Very simple mechanism. This is a metal dissolving reduction of carbonyl compound in presence of proton source. Very simple mechanism. हाँ जी बेटे बोलो जो कोई डाउट है था
नहीं सर ठीक है
Okay. Now, if we perform the same reaction in absence of proton source, in absence of proton source, what will happen if we perform the same reaction but we do not use proton source? That means we do not use ethanol. We carry out the reaction in absence of ethanol. What will happen in that case? And again, there is a single electron transfer from sodium so it will become this one. Now what will happen? Jaldi na bete, I have less than 3
एक और molecule नाले radical
Yes, they will combine with each other. So this free radical, this carbon free radical, it will react with another free radical to form a carbon-carbon bond. To form a carbon-carbon bond. And if you finally do its hydrolysis after the end of reaction, so this will become O negative will take H plus ion and this will become 1,2-diol. It will become 1,2-diol. What's the name of this reaction? It's a very name of this reaction. This product is called pinacol. So there's a name of this reaction. What's the name of this reaction?
sir pinacol pinacolon rearrangement होती है
Yes, it's a pinacolon rearrangement. So this reaction takes place in absence of proton source. So when you carry out metal dissolving reduction of carbonyl compound in presence of proton source, your product is alcohol, and in absence of proton source, your product is pinacol, 1,2-dihydroxy alcohols. Is it clear?
yes
Yes.
yes
Okay, look over both reactions, and if you have any doubt, you can please ask.